Yo, what's up? This video I'm going over wait the trade that I took yesterday and also something about today. Um here hold up. Okay, so going on the day yesterday there was my first draw as this 4-hour gap, then this bigger one would be the next, but I always target the first draw that is next to it. I don't want like to target like draws that are after a good draw. Wait, what the fuck? Oh yeah, this is bugging. Anyways, this was the draws. The 4-hour was the first one. Then we go here to market open. Oh, also there was, I think I put these highs, but I really didn't like them so much because we were so overextended, but I still had them in mind if we would have done something to there. But simply I usually always say wait the first 5 minutes. What the fuck? No, what did I do? Oh yeah, here I clicked the wrong one. Wait, this one. Yeah, I usually wait the first 5 minutes. Then we'll have to go also to what ES did yesterday, because it was relevant. But see, yeah, I see this is already about to be a good 5 minute closure, like really good displacement down. But when I look at ES, it already took this one, but it still had the bigger 4-hour gap. Holy moly. And see here on ES there was a 50-minute gap, and what ES did on market open, it tapped it and instantly gave a reaction out of it. Right here, when I just looked at ES, I was pretty much like sure of this trade hitting. Oh wait, what? Oh, never mind. I'm dumb. This, what the fuck? Yeah, I was convinced in taking this on ES, but I don't trade ES, and this is also a little bit too early on the day, so I didn't take it. But just this made me very like convinced that NQ will also take this. Like here, this draw is already pretty much confirmed, and here is a high that would be a safe stop loss for me. So what I did, I just waited for the 5 minute to close. And it closed like this. It had a wick, but I don't like this wick, but the way we just overall moved down, and the past days we have just gone down and down and down. And what the fuck? I just forgot. I just had like a brain fart. Oh fuck. Anyways, 5 minute closure. Then I was thinking this was my draw. This would miss my stop loss. So here would be the stop, and here would be the take profit. So I pretty much about like put like a 1-to-1, and then with this limit order, I put a limit order to it, and I pretty much like top ticked it. Like here, I literally top ticked this one, and then it played out, break even here, and it hit. And yeah, what I think of this, I think it was like takeable because of how ES did this retracement and continuation. It was just pure, what is it, like knowledge that I've had. kind of like discretion or stuff like that. But yeah, I already journaled here the trade, and yeah, I think overall it was a clean, good trade, something that I like should take, and I would take it and take it again. Hold on, let me get out this. Are we now? Nope. Leave. Are we in this? Yeah, we are here in this. Is this the same account? Yeah, it is. I don't know why it ain't showing the entry arrows. Wait. Order history. Well, yeah. What? What the fuck? Oh, here. Is it now? Now it is. Anyways, there are those arrows. But what I also am going to talk today is I got a eval from one mysterious place. I took a minor loss. I said to my friend that it was a misclick, but it halfly was and halfly wasn't. And overall, I just shouldn't have even taken a trade, because I was like just setting up the trading account. And yeah, wait, let me log on to it so I can show it. Oh, that was pretty quick. I didn't even need to like. Wait, is this? Oh yeah, no. Then let's go over today. Today I officially didn't take a trade. I kind of just coped and took something that I shouldn't. But anyways, in the 4-hour, we're respecting these huge gaps, and there's just draws below. And these as draws are very good if I look at them back now. Also, kind of the same on ES. So we're respecting 4-hour gaps, big gaps, and there was draws down. Then if we go to NQ 50 minute, let's see, there wasn't any gaps, like major gaps. There was this hourly gap, but I didn't look at it that much. But this was just a test that I could take that the account worked. Let me see. The account is now at like $225 in drawdown, and I'm really not quite happy on how I executed, and only because I kind of panicked, and I know I shouldn't have panicked. But let's go over this trade idea. It was really pretty much the same kind of trade as yesterday, 5-minute closure, but the way like we here moved, but ES did not move that good. ES did not have that very clean manipulation or like retracing and giving a reaction out of it, but NQ did have pretty good like reaction out of this. So what I kind of did, I panicked and I took somewhat a trade kind of like this. Somewhere here I entered, and when this happened it went up and up. I just panicked. I really just panicked and wanted to get out, and I regret that I entered like without anything, like without being prepared to even trade the day with like a real account. And technically if I didn't touch my stop loss, it would have been a win. This was also a pretty like weird day. It didn't price didn't perform that well. It wasn't like a that good of a day for taking shorts here. It just chopped after getting up here, and that was pretty much the day. I think I took out my, yeah, when price went back down like to here somewhere, I put my stop loss to this body high and it just got stopped out, and I didn't even risk correctly. It was something way, I don't even know how much I risked, but I'm happy that it didn't go as bad as it could have. From now on I'm trading this eval, and yeah, this is a pretty much, oh, we are dumping right now, pretty good. This is actually clean price action, like after 11 o'clock there's actually good action. If we look at the 5-minute charts, well, I don't know, this is pretty clean. Well, yeah, holy shit, we're dumping. We took this and this. What? Like for a normal kind of swing trade, this is pretty clean price action. But yeah, there was also news at 10 o'clock. But yeah, I'm kind of just talking nothing right now. But yeah, I got an eval, and I'm trading this safely because it's not like I just want to trade this as I trade demo. I'm not even in a hurry to, pass it or anything. But yeah, that's my update for today. Probably tomorrow I'm going to make a video about the market that day, or if I just don't take anything, I won't probably upload anything, because the days where we don't do anything are pretty boring. But yeah, peace.